Hi everybody, today I am using my new Bambu High-Temperature Plate. This plate is made for PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU and PC. As you see, I already prepared it with some stick glue, and the stick glue is some generic glue that I go to my grocery store and buy it. And also, I will be using my new Overture 3D printer filament and ABS 1. The color statement is the Diamond Purple. As you see, it's new. There is some other printing setting or other languages, and you can follow them on other pages. And I have to say, this isn't sponsored by any means by Overture. This is with my own money. This is the Overture ABS again, and as you see, it's a purple glittery one color. I hope that you can see it on camera, on your phone or your monitor or something that you're using for. Again, oh yeah, I see it. Oh my god, this is a great color. And I know that this is kind of an expensive filament, and I will be using this ABS for a side tool holder with some PLA adapter that will be the link on the description. Therefore, with further ado, I will start putting it on the Bambu Lab printer so we can start printing on the new Bambu Lab High-Temperature Plate, so we can see how it's good to be. For some of you that haven't used the new Bambu High-Temperature Plate, the other side is the Bambu engineering plate. So it's like the cool plate, it's a sticky surface, like a stick one surface, and I haven't used it by any means since now. So I will be putting it on the printer and putting the filament ABS on the printer so I can start printing my new side tools folder. The link to the print I will be putting in down on the description, and go enjoy the filament is already extruding. I will make you see that, so let me take this. Like you see on the back, and the filament is already extruding from the previous one. The previous one was the yellow. Now we'll be extruding the violet when I start printing the ABS. Hey everybody, here we are printing, still printing. It is about 79%. About an hour, we are printing the ABS filament. Like you see, this is the settings, 20% of the fan part, the auxiliary fan is 0, and the 20 on the chamber. Remember, for the view of the ABS, that is why I put the chamber on 20%. I think also. And right now, because it's printing, I don't want to change the chamber temperature because this might warp, because the ABS tend to warp. That is one. Like I said, the 270 on the hot end, 90 on the bed, and 100% we are not on ludicrous mode or sport mode. There is the brake. Here is so there it is. Thank you.
Like and subscribe for more content.